Guys, it's me, and I got a cheetah, and that's why I have 0 diamonds. I was gonna get a kangaroo, but I guess I asked people to vote, and a lot of people picked cheetah. I got a little bit with the cheetah better because look how good it looks already with everything, the gazelles, the spike, the horn, and those elf bracelets. It really looks like someone rare will do that kind of thing with the gazelles, and it's very amazing. And I never had a cheetah, so yeah. I was afraid if they updated, I was gonna save it for such a case that they will make another animal, but no. I just wanted to buy cheetah because I thought they were so cute. I thought. Okay, so. Nope. She doesn't want to go on Amazon right this time. Come on, go on Amazon. Let's go. You are always on Amazon. Come on, let's go. I was like, wait, what? I'm a cheetah. Do. I'm a cute cheetah. I'm a cheetah. I'm a cheetah. Okay, I'm a cheater. I'm a cheater. Okay, that's very cute. I am up for Spike. I don't know. Fabulous snowy violet one. Jonah said, "Oh, nice items." I don't know. You better think. I'm a cheater with the winner. Oh. Why did it laugh like that? Like, me. No, girl. Go on earn energy right now because guess what? I'm so recording. I'm gonna put my face on it. Let me pause the video. Let's see how it looks. Oh, the camera's too laggy, but hi YouTube. Okay, fans, say hi to Sarah Pigabyte. And I'm going to my den. Why did it freeze? It never does this. Okay, whatever. I know, right? Frappies and smoothies. I'm gonna write that. Frappies and smoothies. $1.99. Me encanta. Okay, so it's Spanish. My laptop's not about Spanish, okay? My Animal Jam is English, and my den is English, and yeah. So it just came out of nowhere saying me encanta, which is in Spanish. Can we unplug it? Okay. I will take one smoothie. There's a pink one. I still remember the color. There's a pink one and a yellow. I know she's gonna pick pink. That's her name. Her username is Super Pinkie Pie, and she likes pink. That's her favorite color. Always and always, every item is pink. She loves it. Adores pink. Pink, please. XD, I knew it. Okay. I gotta use the bathroom too, to be honest with you. But I'm not going to use the bathroom. I'm just happy with whatever I have. I love how my cheetah looks like. I feel very rare. Oh my god, I'm dirty right now. Oh my god. My nose are back. but I gotta use the bathroom. Stay. I knew it. Oh, okay. Yo, again? Seriously? Again? Wait, where did it go? Come on, ice cream, I liked you. Do the offer again. Who said that? Oh well. I like barely looked at it, but okay. It was you! Change everything, actually. I don't know, it's really not a trade. I don't even know why it's not a trade. Who's knocking the door? Oh my god. Can you go? I don't know. I'm scared. Woo! I don't know. Change. Eyeball. And rare. Rhino. Helmet. I want your spike for mine. Scared. Can I change? Just change it now. Okay. That was random. Okay. What if we add like some things with his reverse spike? Or what? Thank you. No, but I really don't. Even though it's like long, I really don't want to do that because I like my yellow really badly. I love it. Okay. Dang, are you pooping? Okay, sorry. No, but sometimes she's like, I really don't have those two, but okay, I don't like those. Dakota 14. Nice name. I like it. Okay, I'll be your buddy. Dakota! Okay, that was weird. Okay. Yes, bow and arrows. Okay, I'm just about to like leave you right here. Got that red buzz to do it. I want your spike collar for free. Like, I really do. You're no size. I'm leaving, bye. I'm sorry, I just had to go. Yo, are you pooping nuggets? Yes, I think she's pooping nuggets really much. Very badly, yo. Very badly. Can I, like, wash my butt cheeks? Wait, who are you? Oh, yeah. You wanted to be my buddy. Oh, well. I like you. You're beta. You're beta. You're feta. You're hater. Wait, what? I was like, you're beta. You're hater. You're feta. Kada. Dang, it's like, username is so hard to remember. And it's put in, like, a paper. I don't know what happened, like, I can, like, I don't think that happened to me before, but, like, I think it did. When you make an account for a game, and then you forget, like, so you don't have to forget, you put it in a paper, unless your, like, freaking parents, like, or something throw us away, and, like, you're like, and you just had, like, good stuff for, like, 1 second or something. I'm like, what the hell? I mean, what did I just say? Sorry about that. Oh my god. Did I just say that? I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. Like, sorry for my language. I really didn't mean that. Like, Pick on for my golden glove. So, okay, if yes, I don't know. Trade me Spike, reverse Spike, or party hat. I don't want to trade my Spike. That's the problem. I like my Spike very much, and first of all, you don't have anything that's worth a reverse Spike or a party hat. Yeah, that's the problem. Much, and have a nice day. Ooh, I'm so scared of him. Oh my god. Dang it. Okay. I hate when I'm making a video and they don't come into the end of the video. I'm like, did you just do that to me? And they're like, yes. I'm like, who the heck? Wait, what the heck? Ice. Sorry, no. I'm so sorry. Just it's beta and it's unfair. Fair. Oh my god. That's like so unfair. Okay. I think that's that. Rhinos are back. I know, right? I'm like, I know, right? I look so cute. Do I look cute? Do I look cute? Okay. I barely hear about cheetahs. Like, they're like rare animals. For me, they're rare. Okay, people from the United States of America, why did I choose my headdress? I don't know. I don't care. Either. Eagle! Eagle! Why? Why you do that to me? Wait, what the heck? I wasn't typing. Why you do that to me? No fair. No fair. No fair. No fair. Okay, let's. Okay. Twinkle. 0, 1, 2, 2. I think it is. Wait. No. Oh. I'm like, no. Wait, what? Oh my god. Maybe she's recording. Oh my god. Look at her den is out. Oh my god. I'm screaming. Yeah, if she is recording on the screen, I'll kill myself. Like, oh my god. I'm screaming. I'm gonna cry. Okay, guys. Okay. If she's on, I'm gonna tell her I have to like. Oh my god, where are you, Twinkle? Yeah, I swear, if I see her, I'm gonna like comment down below, like on the description I did. You're so beta and cutie. Oh, get. Where are you? I know you're hiding. You're at the poop. Is that you? No, you're Rainy Leaf. I don't know you. Who are you? A butt cheek with the butt. No, wait. Nice list. Okay. So I think my friend's pooping nuggets. So yeah, I think she's pooping nuggets. Pooping nuggets. It's peanut butter jet. It's like the biggest den ever. Like barely. Like seriously. Oh my god. Oh my god. Twinkle, you're not here. You gotta be somewhere. You're in here. Dun-dun-dun-dun. 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 Just twinkles. Dang, you're up here, dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Twinkle, where are you? Okay, Twinkle, where are you? Okay, so guys, this video is about to end. I think my friend is pooping nuggets, so